Hey everybody, Troy here from Troy's Hobbies. Just trying to do a quick video to help some viewers out. I made a video a while back about adding the bagger to my Husqvarna. It wasn't really a step-by-step how-to instruction. It was just mainly a video blog. But I think I've had 2 people ask about it because they bought the bagger. The instructions for which bolts to use are iffy, and like I say, it wasn't a step-by-step. So I'm gonna go ahead and dismantle it and take some video, and hopefully it'll help. Some people had questions about the bracket. I'll show where the bracket connects. I'm gonna go ahead and this part is just basically gravity, slips down. I'm just gonna take this mallet and hit it a few times and the whole top piece will pop off. All right, just took a hammer will suffice, but I used one of these. Just hit it up, pops right off. It's just, there's no bolts that hold it in place. Just all friction. You have 4 brackets here that hold this piece on. This is 2 brackets. This main bracket here, and then the secondary vertical bracket. There's 2 pieces. So what holds this piece to this piece are these 4 bolts. You can see what the heads look like, and you can see how short they are. Let me get a ruler. Quick measurement, roughly from the top of the head to the bottom of the stem, 1 inch overall. So you have 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, this is reverse engineering. You want to put the main bracket on first, which you can get to with some ratchets and crescent wrenches. I mean, you can see there. 1, 2, and then 3, and then there's 1 underneath here. Now, to connect the main plate, you have, let me see, basically 2 for the base. So you got 1 here, and where's the and the other one is hidden by this plate. Remember, this is reverse. This plate wouldn't be here. It's underneath here. And you can see it right down there. There it is. See the head? They didn't do a good job of marking the bolts, which bolts, you know, are for what. So for the mounting base for the heavy bracket, it's roughly 2 1/4. 2 1/2. It's hard to do this because I'm not near the bolt itself. I'm guesstimating the location. It's not 3 inches. That's just so hopefully that helps out. I really don't want to take everything apart on Memorial Day. Just trying to help some folks out. Yeah. You can see there. So that's it for that. It's really simple. And then what holds the top piece is this bolt and this bolt for the bracket. Now, we're looking at the rear of the mower. Left side, right side. So it comes with 2 bars. One's really bent, angled. That's the left side. You can see the angle there, then angle hard, and then down. And then this one's more of a straight shot, just a slight bend here. That's the right side. The kit comes with the bolts and the spacer. There's the bolt, and the shiny piece in between, that's the spacer. Same thing on the right side. So let's go ahead and get underneath. So when you attach these, put them on, but don't tighten them. You want to make sure they're still adjustable. So let's go ahead and get underneath here, so I can show you what it looks like underneath. It attaches to this part, and the hole is there already. You can see right there. There's no extra drilling or nothing. And you can see the shiny piece, that's the spacer. That's so the bar doesn't rub up against the plastic. Let's get a measurement. It's about 1.5 inches with the spacer. It's hard to tell in there, but that kind of gives you a rough estimate which bolts to use. But you got to make sure you put that spacer in. And that's pretty much it. And then once you tighten that down, tighten these, all 4 of them down. It's not going to go anywhere. Make sure you do not use this without the brackets. You might bend the frame, because if you get some wet grass in there, it weighs quite a bit. And then if you hit some uneven terrain, that will cause some flexing. So yeah, I do not recommend running this without the brackets. Please put the brackets on. So I hope this helps. You guys have a good Memorial Day.